Good morning, beautiful people. Yeah, you want to see some real redneck engineering. Check this out. Okay, I got a rotten stud here. See this? Can you see that? You might can. Rotten stud. Got to cut it off. I only had a jigsaw. I got no sawzall, or it would be easy. I did this one. See that? Redneck engineering. I used a jigsaw to there, and I have no sawzall. My son said a circular saw would kill me. So what I did was take a drill, and I drilled and drilled and drilled till I got it off. Postage stamp style. So watch this redneck engineering. I'm going to do another one for you. It's going to be like a pain. Whoa! Hi! Let me see. We'll set you up to watch this debacle right here. See if you stand by me. Anyway, we're gonna try to prop you up on a damn 2x4 and see if it works. I'm kind of in a cramped quarter underneath something that's coming out. We're changing a lot of stuff around, but anyway, watch this. We got our little handy dandy built everything DeWalt 20 volt. We stuck in just a random, I don't know what size. It's the size that fits this. This is the drill bit that I built everything with the spikes and all that shit. Anyway, it just fits. And we're gonna drill out what ain't cut through yet. So watch this. Now guess what? You gotta back it out. It's not attached, so you can't pull. You gotta cock it to back it out. And you gotta just work it. And it's gonna take a bit, but it does come out. I see light under here. Now don't touch the bit, it's hot as hell. But you gotta still keep pressure sideways on it so it backs itself out. Now I did the other one this way, it took a bit. See, you can back it out, it's really hard. So you gotta do it this way. You gotta slow it down. But it comes out. Now going sideways is easier, and I'm gonna do that next. But that's like kind of just to start it. And I go all kinds of angles. Like that's one way. And I'm basically just perforating it. Okay, see? Now I'm gonna come this way. Oh, yeah, go forward though, guys. I did, but it just kind of walks around. Because it's not attached, right? Yep, see, goes right through. It stayed on the line, so we're all right. It went a little crookedy, but that's all right. Oh, I got blocks here. We're gonna put 2 blocks. We're gonna put a moisture barrier between the wood and the block. And we're gonna put another 2x4. I got it behind you, but it's a real thick block anyway. We're gonna reframe this little section just on this back wall. We get studs and we just restud it and block this back wall. It's a little 8x8 cabin. It's a mini house. All right, we'll reverse this out, get that angle on it. See? Like I said, I don't have a lot of tools, so I do what I can. MacGyver, whatever, thought about it, how I'm going to get these studs out, and I just said, well, if I drill and drill and drill, I'll knock it off, and I did. That side, fine. Yeah, it takes a little more, whatever. And I do have a bow saw, and I'll saw the rest of it, but I'm not that strong, so I gotta figure ways to make my life a little easier. Go back in, make another hole. Backing it out's the hardest part. Remember, don't touch the drill, it's hot. Gone through a few places. It took me about 6 perforations to get through the last one. So it's going to take a minute. Going too fast, it keeps running. I gotta keep feeding it into the little socket because it wants to jump out. This one come out by hand kind of easy, but you don't want to touch the drill. Just the bit part. This part's warm, but it's not hot. The other part's hot. Okay, go back. Two more or 3 more. Last one I did, I kind of hit a knot, but this one not. Almost out. Gimme. It wants to go back in when I go round and round. You can feel it trying to drill back in. Alright, how wiggly are we? We need to saw right here and back. There's 2 spots where it's still hanging on by a couple muscles. forward. So we need right after where I sawed with the jigsaw and right at the wall. Right here. Woo. Probably should just freaking push it all the way through. Look at that. We just got smarter. Damn. Let's do that again. That was easy. Oops, I missed. That one right through the back wall. What a dumbass. That was a little too easy. No, I didn't go through the back wall, but went through the back insulation. Hello. Hello. Oopsie. Dumbass. That's all right. We'll put that down. Got a little too anxious on that. That, don't you do it. I don't have my glasses on, but that's not an excuse. I hear Bella outside. That's the neighbor's dog. Mmm. Oh, Chuck. Oh well. Now we might have did it. But we're just about to the end of this situation anyway. We about got this solved. I might have got that stuck, to be fair. But I gotta get on the right angle. This thing will go right through that now because of all the cuts, but I just gotta get on the right angle. This one was easy. See, I have all this swing room, but I don't have no room. I have no room. Cuts this direction. There you go. Get it started. Oh, see? Ooh, good dig. See, it's cutting. I have no swing. You sucker. Coming in. I know you fell. I'm doing it anyway. I'm not stopping. Yeah, well, I'll pick you up. I'm doing it. I needed a second. Bosa. Ow! Into my finger. Because it's tight squirters. All right, I think I did it. Hot. Hot blade. I put it on my lap. Yay! All right, guys. Hammer. 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 Got my drill. Got that bad stud. Oh, lady did it. Look at that. Whew. Stud. 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 I'll tell you what. It almost got me, but nope. We did it. It's done. Now I can put these blocks there. I can put the beam there. And secure this rear. Re-cement this floor. Build a concrete little block wall here. Remove this. Put a nice little seat here to sit on. In fact, I can make, I don't know. The main thing is we're repairing the water damage. See you next time. Bye. I'm so glad you guys watch an old lady work.